Good afternoon all, welcome back on my show. Today we will discuss on United Nations Climate Change Conference. First, define the UNCC to understand. United Nations Climate Change Conference's short form is UNCC, is also known as COP30. It is an international treaty dealing with climate change. The United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change became legally binding on March 21, 1994. Today, it has universal membership. The term parties to the convention refers to the 198 countries that have ratified it. UNCC aim is to safeguard the climate system from threatening human influence. The headquarters of UNCC is located in Bonn, Germany. This year, it is going to be held in Belém, Brazil, from 10 to November 21, 2025. It will be 30th United Nations Climate Change Conference. This conference will continue for 11 days. UNCC was previously held in Baku 2024. It was 29th Conference of Parties. The UN Climate Conference has been held in India only once. The 8th meeting, called COP8, took place in New Delhi from October 23 to November 1, 2002. Objective of UNCC. 1. The main goal of the convention is to control greenhouse gas levels so that they do not cause harmful human-made effects on the climate. 2. It also aims to do this in a time frame that allows nature to adjust, protects food production, and supports sustainable economic growth. Key aspects of the UNCC's agenda include 1. Stabilizing greenhouse gas concentrations. This is the main goal, to stop the most dangerous effects of climate change and keep our planet safe for people, nature, and future generations. 2. Scientific research and knowledge sharing. The UNCC depends on continuous research to learn more about climate change and how it affects us. This helps leaders make better plans and decisions to protect the planet. 3. International cooperation and negotiations. The UNCC gives countries a place to talk and work together on how to fight climate change. For example, they all agreed on the Paris Agreement to take action and protect the Earth. 4. Implementation of the Paris Agreement. The UNCC is working to put the Paris Agreement into action. The goal is to keep global warming well below 2 C and try to stay closer to 1.5 C compared to temperatures before modern industries began. 5. Mitigation efforts. Cutting down harmful gases released into the air by using clean energy like solar and wind, and using energy in smarter, more efficient ways. 6. Adaptation to climate change impacts. Helping countries adjust to the effects of climate change that can't be stopped, like rising sea levels, more storms, and less or too much water in some places. 7. Climate finance. Giving money to developing countries so they can take action to reduce climate change and deal with its effects. 8. Global stocktake. Checking regularly how well all countries are working together to reach the goals of the Paris Agreement. 9. Just transitions. Making sure the shift to clean energy is fair for everyone, especially for workers and communities, so no one is left behind. 10. Transparency and reporting. Creating systems to check and track what each country is doing to fight climate change, and making sure they are doing what they promised. That's all for the day.